y'all, today we got the Suburban on the trailer, getting yanked by that dually, because we gonna put this thing on a dyno. Take a ride with me, y'all. Ooh, man, bruh. Just bottomed out, hit a big funk. I need to give these QL1s a little bit more compression. How would I think? She towing this heavy thing pretty good though, y'all. Let's get over there. I just got here. I'm in a church parking lot. I'm gonna go ahead and unload this thing right quick, yeah. All right, y'all, we were dropping off on boost after about 8 pounds. We looked at my spring. I had a light little spring in there, so it's making around 6 pounds on just gate now, so I think we got it. We're gonna keep fooling with that boost controller. Hopefully we can make a couple of, if I make 500, y'all, I'm happy. Family haul of 500 horsepower, that's what I want. Alright, y'all, so this way we're gonna go ahead and go do a little street drive. It's right at around either 12, 13 pounds of boost, 520, 530 horse. Timing safe, fueling safe. Shit, I told him when I pulled up here, I said as long as I see a 500 number on there, I'm good. We'll take it for a little test ride.
Hey, maybe I'll put a couple screws and you can hang the straps up right here. No?
Say hey to YouTube lift guy.
I fucking love this thing. Look at you.
Hey, that's a good sign when you're driving it off the dyno and not pushing. 1200 fucking horsepower on my motherfucking jaw.
Must be that cutout making a little noise.
Yeah.
And the cruises like we're going to pick the kids up for soccer practice.
And like I didn't do nothing with the suspension. Like it's still all tight.
It rides good. It floats down the road.
Yeah, Toby's picking his nose.
Alright, y'all got the bourbon loaded back on the trailer on this on power. We headed back home. She didn't blow up, so I guess next stop, LS Fest. What up, y'all? Next day after getting her dynoed, come and drain that brick and all out of there. And I'm coming put that good all, that Amsol Racing 1550. Had to go run to O'Reilly's, get a filter right quick. Let me come do that right quick, y'all. Alright, y'all, well, that's where we're gonna cut that little Suburban dyno slash quick little run video off. Y'all probably ain't gonna see another video about that Suburban till after I come back from LS Fest, cause it's crunch time on this thing, y'all. I'm behind. Later. Go ahead, like, comment, subscribe if y'all like cars and stuff. Later.